Welcome back to the channel. Today we're back in the range of light. Found a really cool spot. We're going to check out a waterfall and have a picnic. Thanks for tuning in.
I can see it better with my binoculars.
Yeah, let's go take a good look with your little binoculars. That's a big waterfall today.
Yeah.
We're on the edge of this.
This is the closest I have ever been to the edge.
Yeah, we're not going any further because if you fall down there, it's about a 100-foot drop.
Oh God.
Look at that waterfall right down there. Crazy.
Oh yeah, it's really flowing. It's really flowing, Daddy.
Yeah, it's raging. You're gonna look at it with your, turn it around, silly. Watch your fingers. Can you see it good?
Yes. It's like raging. Okay, now I'm cold.
All right, let me go take a picture. All right, my girly, why don't you take the lid off and we'll pour some water in and we can start making some lunch.
Okay.
Okay, we need at least 8 ounces for this. And then we'll do some double.
It's 8.
Okay, let's keep going.
All the way to 16.
How about that?
Yeah, that's good.
All right, you remember how to start it?
Yes.
Twist. Found a good spot for lunch here in the meadow.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, great little spot. Got some shade, got some sun. Snow's melting. Starting to warm up. Pretty day, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ready for lunch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Time to make our lunch.
Alright. Cider. Almost all of it. Let's pour a little bit of cold water in there so we can drink it a little bit sooner.
No. Done.
There you go. Stir it up, please. Keep going. Show me how you drink from that kapilka. And show me the other way you hold one of those. That's right.
And you can also drink it like this.
Yeah. These kind of cups are used all over Scandinavia, Northern Europe. Alright, so what do you got there today?
My handy dandy tool.
Okay, show me what it does.
So this compass is for navigation.
Navigation, yep, that'll help you find a waypoint or lead you back to where you came from.
Then we have a signaling.
Oh, signal mirror, very good.
That.
Yeah. And what else does it have?
My binoculars.
Ooh.
So you go through the tiny ones, through the big ones.
And you could see things
Or if you
far
want to
away.
see something really tiny far away, if you have like really good eyesight, you can go big to small. There
So
you go.
binoculars are for seeing things far away up close, right? Thank you.
Oh, there's one.
We're practicing our signaling. You got a signal mirror on your little mini binos there?
Yeah.
All right, show me how it works. Oh, yep, you got a
Right on
signal
the
on
tree.
I'm gonna bring mine up right there.
Hi. Move to a different spot.
Yep, that's how we signal people when we're in distress. We signal all the way across the valley.